Today we are going to be adding 3 addends, or I like to call it 3 numbers. Let's read our word problem.
Gene searched for 13 zebras, 12 giraffes, and 15 tigers at the zoo. How many animals did Gene search for?
Working with the word problem, what is the first thing that I need to do? Yes.
Circle the numbers.
I need to circle the numbers that I'm working with. That's 13, 12, and 15. What is the next thing I need to do when working in the word problem? Yes.
Underline your entire question.
Underline the entire question. How many animals did Gene search for? This question lets me know what I'm solving for. What is the next thing that I should search for inside of a word problem? Yes.
Box or clue words.
I can box in my clue words. What are my clue words here?
And then how many?
And how many? What does and tell me to do?
Add.
It tells me that my operation should be to add. And it's adding the 13, the 12, and the 15. Is there another clue word that helped you?
How many?
How many? Very good. Almost like saying how many are there in all, which would also be telling me to add. So the first thing I'm going to do is to write down the numbers that I'm working with. I'm working with number 13 plus 12 plus 15. And I'm trying to find the what?
The sum.
I'm trying to find the sum. Again, the sum is the answer in an addition problem. The first thing I need to do is to add the first 2 numbers together. I'm not going to add all 3 at one time. I'm just going to add the first 2 numbers. I'm going to add 13 plus 12. I'm going to use mental math to solve this problem. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. There is another way that I can use if I'm not able to use mental math, and that's to draw a quick picture. So that would be 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 10, 11, 12. I'm going to add my 10s. That's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now I'm going to take this number 25 and I'm going to add it by the third addend 15. So 25 plus 15. If I don't know what 25 plus 15 is, I'm going to draw a quick picture. So that's 25, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to start counting my highest value first, and that's my tens. So that's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So now we know that 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. So my sum is equal to 40. Now let's look at another example for adding 3 numbers. Ready? Jerome counted 10 cones, 16 cubes, and 7 spheres in math class. How many 3D shapes did Jerome count? Well, the first thing that we need to do is to circle the numbers that we're working with. We are working with 10, 16, and 7. The next thing I need to do is underline my question. How many 3D shapes did Jerome count? This is what I'm looking for when I'm solving my answer. Words are going to be and, because and tells me that I need to use the operation of addition and add all of these numbers together. And also my key word is going to be how many, as in how many in all. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add my numbers. I have 10 plus 16 plus 7, and I'm always going to be looking for the sum in an addition problem. Again, I'm not going to add all 3 numbers together. I'm going to add 2 numbers together only. But this time, I'm going to start this way. So I'm going to take 16 plus 7. If we don't know what 16 plus 7 is, we're going to draw a quick picture. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm always going to start counting using the highest value. So for here it's 10. So it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. Now I need to add back this 10 to find my sum. 10 plus 23 is going to be 33 because this is my tens place and I'm adding 1 10. If you don't know how to do it that way, simply start at 23, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, and add a 10, plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Therefore, my sum is 33.